charts, rain bar charts, Fibonacci candles or normal candles. What you want to plot supply, demand, or resistance, whatever you want on your base chart, or you want to see it on your middle chart or on your entry chart, I will show you a trick. This is Renko charts with Fibonacci candles overlay. Renko indicator, but Fibonacci candles overlay. I add these two indicators to show you the trick. For example, I will put the rectangle close to price, because you want to see it on your entry chart. Just for the example. You see? And because we use the extender tool, that will extend also on your smaller Remco settings, that will extend the rectangle. So every new bar, the rectangle will extend because it's also on this chart. You see? So on your bigger settings, it looks just like this on the low settings. 3 pips, 6 pips, 10 pips. I use these pip settings just for show you what I mean about this. If you look my previous videos, you see I use a paid tool, but a lot of people ask me, can I do this setup also with free indicators? But yes, you can. You can do it also on normal charts. Yes, I hope these videos help. Bye-bye.